Storms may be severe until midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Much cooler with highs in the mid-60s. Light and variable winds. Sunday night, clear, cooler with lows in the lower 40s. Light and variable winds. The extended forecast for the tri-state area, Monday and Monday night, mostly clear. A slight chance of thunderstorms through the night. Highs in the lower 70s. Lows in the mid-50s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of rain and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday and Wednesday night, rain. Highs in the upper 70s. Lows in the upper 30s. Chance of rain 90%. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. A chance of rain and snow. Highs in the mid-40s. Lows in the mid-30s. Chance of precipitation 50%. Friday and Friday night, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 60s. This is a tornado watch, issued at 1:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 25, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Gallia, Jackson, and Scioto. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Reports of